Today, you're going to learn everything you need to know about how to do a reverse lunge. After today's video, you're going to notice that you're able to improve your balance and you're able to get stronger legs through this movement. So let's get into it. When performing a reverse lunge, start with your feet together. From there, we're going to pick our right leg, taking a big step back, balancing on our tippy toes on the back leg. Our front leg, our feet is flat on the floor. We're going to bring our hands to our hips. And as your hands are on your hips, I want you to think about the position of your hips. Tuck your hips under. This is similar to a crunch position. Avoid having your hips back. Now that our hips are tucked under, our feet are distanced like they should, we want to roll our shoulders back, brace our core, and then from there, go down into our lunge. Notice I have my knee bent, I'm moving at my hip, and then my back leg, you see that little square, that 90-degree right there. And then we're gonna bring that back leg up, pushing through our front leg, back together. Let's do 2 reps. Push through that front leg. 1 more. And rest. So your key points is to make sure that your front leg takes the load of your body weight, not your back leg. Do be on your tippy toes on your back foot. You should not have your foot flat. If you do that, you'll notice it's very awkward doing your reverse lunge. Keep your core braced, and as always, keep your chest up, full of confidence. So that is how you do your reverse lunge, and I'll see you on the next how-to video.